What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna go over Wednesday's game plan. So, guys, y'all sit tight. I got a good one for you today. Data drop tomorrow. Be cautious. You got CPI at 8:30. But guys, you know how we move when we see data or when data drops come down. We sit back, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get after it. Not a moment earlier, not a moment less. We sit back and we wait for a clear direction. And then we pounce. Simple as that, guys. So newbies, beginners, where y'all at? We got something for you guys. First ticker up is going to be Palantir. As you see on the screen, Palantir sitting at 79.20. If you are a bull, you want to see them get through this stuff right in here at 79.50. They can do that. Next level up, boom, they're going to run this thing to 80.70. They break through 80.70. You got this stuff right here at 81.33. They lose that and break through it. You got 82.47 and routes to 83.40, and then boom, you got 85.20, and they can start running this thing back up. On the downside, if you are a bear, what you want to see is 78.75 get taken out. They can take out that level right there. You got 77.95 on deck, and then boom, you got these bottoms right here. Expect the bulls to say something or react or right around this area right here. They ain't gonna just give it up. They're gonna try to pop that thing back up, but we okay with that. We want to see them move that thing up and then come back and retest it before they start coming down to this stuff right here at 74.50. So again, we wait patient. We wait till we see a nice setup and then we get at it. Next ticker up is going to be WMT, aka Walmart. With this one right here, they got that little rundown. They're sitting at 87.55. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open up right here above these tops here at 87.80. If they can do that, boom, you got 88.10 on deck. Next level up is going to be these middles right here at 88.40. They break through that, boom, you got 88.70 on deck and routes to these tops right up in here at 89.33. That's going to be a heavy level. When you see them start coming up, expect the bears to smack this thing down. You see this top right here where they made that little round? Once you start seeing the candlesticks round off right there, you already know what's going to happen. They're going to come back down to the downside. So if you are a bear, you want to see these bottoms right here get taken out, 87.40. If they can do that right there, they coming down to this stuff right here, 87.15, and then boom, you got 86.60 on deck and route to some lower stuff. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you guys. First one out of the gate is going to be the SPY. They're sitting at 556.90. If you are a bull, the plays are running up to these highs up here. They forming a additional top, which means it's usually favors the bears. It's going to come back down. If I say a DB is the complete opposite. You want to see them open somewhere around 558.10. They can do that. Next level up, boom, you got 559.20 on deck. Next level after that is going to be this stuff in here, 560.90. They break through that, boom, you got 562.20. Next level up is going to be this stuff at 563.90. Heavy level. They start closing candles above that. They can start slowly grinding this thing up to 567.80. We'll play in real time once they start smacking out those areas right there. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than this bottom right here at 555.90. They can start applying pressure right there. You got these bottoms right here at 554, let's say 553.90. They break through that, boom, you got 551.95 on deck. Again, that area over here, you start seeing them consolidating right there. Expect the bulls to try to bounce that thing back up. Look for the double bottom on there. When I'm putting this out in the Discord, DTs, DBs, a DT means a double top. That means they running the plays down, they consolidating in the same area. A DB usually favors the bulls. That means the bulls can pop that thing back up short term because I'm trading in the 5-minute time frame. So there you go with this ticker right here. here. Next ticker up is Tesla, TSLA. We walked this play down to that downside today. Man, that was a nice ride if you caught that drop from opening. You see they ran that thing all the way up. Food people, everybody thought that it was going to be a booming day, and they dropped that thing all the way down. And guys, simply, if you watching these videos that I'm putting out and you jotting down those levels, you already know where it's coming. Every dip that Tesla did today was called out in the video that we studied from last night that dropped. So a lot of these plays that I put out, they usually identify themselves the very next day. So that's how accurate my plays are. All you got to do is jot them down. And once you start seeing those areas get taken out, you already know where we coming, because when I throw them out in the Discord, you already see a couple minutes later, we already hitting the plate. We knocking it out of the ballpark. Think I had one in there for SPY. You know, I put what I thought it was ready to do. 3-4 minutes later, it was already up. Couple dollar run up. So we out here grinding, man. And Tesla, what you want to see with this one, they're sitting at 233.20 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them knock out 234.90. They break through that right there. Boom, you got 237.05. They can get busy. You know, you got some turbulence right in here. We really want to see them smoke through here before we start saying, you know, all right, Tesla's building some strength. You got 243.35. Me personally, I need to see them somewhere. I want to see them start getting through this level at 252 before I start getting all excited about a major run up. On the downside, you want to see these middles get taken out. You want to see them open somewhere around 230.90. They can do that. Next level down, you got 229.50. Next level after that, you got 226 even on deck. They break through that. They coming down to this bottom right here, 223.50. Expect bulls to be hanging in that area. If they weak, you got this stuff right in here at 220.10, and then boom, you got 218 on deck. So again, guys, if you are jotting down these levels, you already know what it's going to do, and it's going to come right to those areas. Make sure you got your profit taking area spotted out before you even enter that trade, because we know Tesla moves swiftly and they move fast. So that's all the tickers I got for you guys right now. This is the part of the video where we like to show some love. This one comes from Dow Styles. Said, D-Fresh, stand disciplined using the stop loss, and boom, fresh. Your new name is Mr. Level Up. Spot on. Who can ask for a better coach that is in the fire with you every step of the way? Man, I am proud of you. And if you look at that profit right there, that's $525 made today. I am super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air. That's my job, is to stay in the fire with you guys and out there driving and trying to navigate you guys from being able to make a bad decision. So that's what I do. That's why I give you levels to the upside and to the downside. That way, if you plan it up, you got these areas of interest to take profit at, or you know where it's going, and also to the areas of interest to the downside. That way, you know, once they start taking out those areas, it's Mayday. It's time to get out of those plays. So I appreciate the love. Champagne bottles in the air. Just know I'm celebrating with you. So guys, again, like I said, it don't matter what play it is. If it's Tesla, SPY, AVGO, we knocking it out of the ballpark. We had one play. I said SPY, Bears losing steam, Bulls gaining momentum, and about to smack the Bears with a $2 run up towards that 200 at 562.60. Bears need to come alive soon. And this was, we were $2 away. And if you look at that timestamp, that is 2:43. At 2:55, we got Tiger slamming his hat down. You already know. I said, now, when you hear that phrase, best option sniper in the business, you already know who it is. It's your boy Fresh. Boom, we killed it. A $2 run up just that fast. We killed it, and it ran up even higher than that. So champagne bottles to whoever that was able to get into that play and make some money on it. You guys, if y'all dominated the plays today, let me know in the comments below. Everybody else, if you watching, if you not in the Discord, where you at, what you waiting on, get into into the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But all right, guys, I done took enough of your time. But hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.